This car had a loud knocking noise coming from it when the air conditioner and vents were changing positions. This particular motor gear system was the culprit. Basically, I've got that out already. The gear unit has 3 screws in it, 1, 2, and 3. And basically, you take those out, and here's where the wire connects up on the end of the unit. It's actually, you can get to it by getting inside your glove box here. Basically got to, on the right and left side of your glove box, you push these little tabs down and the glove box can go down then. Once the glove box is down, you can see back here in this direction, this is where the gearbox is mounted on this white post here, and this is the wire that connects up. What I did is, to get access to the third bolt, I cut out plastic here on the side of the glove box. I don't think you're going to be able to see that hole there, but it was much easier to get down to get the final bolt out. I used a 5.5 millimeter hex tool to get the bolts out. Basically, it looks like this. So I removed the 3 bolts out, pulled off the wire, and now I'm ready to put the unit back in there. Overall, I think the repair is probably about 40 minutes.